afternoon, students. Our today's teaching topic is related to supplementary resource English class 12, and the chapter name is The Enemy, and the writer of this chapter is Karl Bucks. You know that student, part first is completed before, and now we will discuss part second. In this part second, we have to discuss the story, and the story is very remarkable. You know that. If you know that this story is relating to create a dilemma. Which dilemma? The dilemma is that main thing of the duty between humanity and nation. Which is the first, humanity or nation? Both are very important. We have to discuss on this matter to take the great character of this story, the protagonist character, Dr. Sadao. Dr. Sadao is a Japanese surgeon. His father want to send him to America so that he came to know about everything that is important to doctor, surgeon, and a great scientist. And at the age of 22, sent him to America to learn all that could be learned by surgery and medicine. This is why he able to know everything in America and came back his nation at the age of 32. It means to say that 8 years he engaged himself till 8 years so that he came to know everything what he know as to become great doctor, surgeon, and as knowing everything in medicine area. America and Japan at that time engaged Second World War. Now they met in Second World War, and in this war have to go to engage himself as a given service, Dr. Sadao, but not given a chance to go there at war, because you know that the old journal might need his service as a surgeon. This is the main reason he is prevented to go to. He has to cure and given treatment old journal so that old journal may good in the regard of after given treatment, and he himself engaged in this war, and the result may be best come out from that war after happening this situation with the old journal. This is why he prevented Japanese surgeon Dr. Sadao. At the time he stand with his wife Hana. Hana and Sadao story is also very remarkable. Dr. Sadao met Hana in America during learning and during study. At that time, both of them fall in love. But Dr. Sadao prevented himself to fall in the love of Hana. This is the main reason is he want to permission to his father and family members. He want to marry with that girl. That girl is similar to his race. When he came to know about very well her race about, her caste about, her nationality about, and confirm that then ready to get married. And both of them now get married and have two children. And this time both of them stand to take hand by hand on the roof of his house, on the roof of their house. And because his house is, you can say that their house is stayed in beach, at the ocean and the shore of ocean. And at that time both of them amazed and shocked, because of persons, a man, may be human being or other things, a person's sight appeared in a blackish way. This is the shadow of the person, because the foggy atmosphere and the Mist atmosphere is spread everywhere. Due to fog, due to mist, they unable to saw that person. And after some time, that person appeared clearly. They crawled, they injured, they unable to walk properly, they unable to stand properly, they crying due to pain because a bullet had stuck lower side, lower side in the back, low back side. A bullet is dead. He is a warrior. He is a volunteer of enemy side nation, American volunteer. And both of them start to discuss what to do after happening this situation, because this situation is totally different in the comparison of other circumstances. Our enemy soldiers has lied before him and he near about death. After some times definitely he get death due to injured, due to badly injured. His condition is fully. Both of them take a firm decision. The decision is that humanity is first in the comparison of other things. Humanity is first, and politely is first, kindness is first, mercy is first, sympathy is first. Being a doctor, he never left these patients. As a doctor, the main and foremost duty is that when an injured person, when a patient's person has come before that doctor, at that time being a doctor, the first duty is that he has to cure. He has to cure, he has to give a treatment, so that to take this treatment he became available, he became feel refreshness in the regard of healthiness. But the situation and matter is different here. What I do after happening this situation, the situation is that which type of behavior we have to present with this person, because this person in enemy. But at first his mind and his wife's suggestion is that we have to throw this person into this ocean, so that we have to feel relaxed and we unable to stuck into the bad manner as a traitor. Otherwise our government, our general announced us as a traitor if we start to help this person. But the duty of the doctor, the emotions of the doctor is created at that time, and he start to cure that person. The bullet is nearly kidney of that patient. He start to curement and he take a decision. We unable to tell any matter, anything to his servant, because if our servant came to know about, they become and present as a traitor way, and they all are stand against us. And what to do at that time? With of all person in my house, I stand against. This is why they engage himself. But after some time, when the servants came to know about, they all are refused to do any type of help with this matter. And Hannah is stand in favor of her husband, because he is a good wife and always stand in favor of that person who is a doctor and husband. Also, she washed his wounds, she washed his clothes, and she to do everything. What can she do as a wife and as a nurse also? She is not a nurse here, but she is a wife, and she presents a great emotions, feelings and kindness. Being a good wife, she never decide and she never engage herself into the matter of the disgusting that is relating to this one a patient or an enemy person. And after some time, the bullet is struck out from his lower back, and he stopped his crying. That person is a Tom, American Tom. After some time, he came to know that, and his cab misty way and half-written way write USA Navy, and due to this clue clearly that he is an American soldier, and every American prisoner and every American soldier and as a prisoner, and every prisoner that type of person is good, is may not good for us, but after given curement treatment he able to correct, he able to stand on the basis of his feet. And after sometimes both of them feel relaxed, but a bell ring at that time, and Hannah frightened because a messenger came and stand in front of him, and she became frightened. She know that at that time soldiers has come and maybe arrested both of them, because our activities is doing here against of the nation. This type of ill and negative thinking and pondering is running in her mind and heart also. But the messenger is only asked one thing: if Dr. Sadao is here, the old journal in pain, and he have to calling him to curement and treatment. After the Dr. Sadao has come and given a curement of treatment, the old journal is a very important person, and you know that, my dear readers and students, he is a cruel person, he is not a good person, he always give a great punishment to the prisoner, he is a selfish person, he always care himself also and instead of other person.